This is the Hello World Podcast. Coach, just interested on this PUSO framework or heart framework that you have. Chot Reyes is strongest on which one? Emotional, mental, spiritual, relational, or deep health? Kung magsa-self-assessment ka ng, you may be high on all five, what's your top strength? And where do you think you also need to do reinforcement?
I think my strength, I think I'm better than most in building teams, really understanding and putting together teams and inspiring people to sacrifice and subjugate their personal interests for the good of the team.
Mhm.
I have a very deep understanding and experience about what makes teams click. You know, and I think one of my gifts is an ability to connect with people. So when I talk about connection, vulnerability, trust, psychological safety, it's very natural for me because that's a strength that I have. That's a strength. My biggest weakness is emotional intelligence because I really I'm so much better at it now. But really, I've always been one to lose my temper. When I was in the PBA, they called me the finest coach in the PBA. Ako pinakamataas binabayad na fine sa commission. So, lagi ako technical foul kasi palagi ko sinisigawan yung referee. So that's something that I consciously work on, and that's why I made it a part of. I thought it was a very important part of a leadership model because especially now when you talk about outlook, the most important outlook to have is a positive outlook. Because if your outlook is negative, wala na, takot na talaga. You're not even giving yourself a chance.
Yes.
So I think that's the most important.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.